So hi there, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about all the Figma updates that's happened, my takes on it, and for you to know of what are the new updates that for you to watch out with Figma. So Figma 2026, there are more than 10,000 designers in San Francisco. So I had a pleasure to visit this year. So Figma has this updates on like they launched Figma Motion, generative plugin, shaders, wavy tool, code layers, FigJam, slide agents, and more. So basically, I think Figma this year had a lot of pressure with the AI industry moving so fast, and they are also went to IPO, so they had to kind of expand their market. I think they did expand their product category and market segment and things like that. And I think that there was like mixed feelings from the crowd. People were very excited about the shaders, motion, and things, but also they were like curious about what's happening with like design systems and things like that. So I think some of the side talks did cover them, and there was definitely a lot of questions around the Figma's expansion, because now Figma is kind of almost like an everything tool. So you don't have to. That's the one good part about it. Is what's like the good part about it is you don't have to switch between multiple tools before you have to like take the Figma designs and take it to After Effects or other tools and things like that. But now motion is within, and then you need to go to another tool, create like videos, video generation and image generation. Now with Figma VV, so everything remains in the one canvas, so which makes this an awesome place for people who are building with who are designing products or creatives, exploring their ideas. Figma's canvas kind of gives you a suite of all the tools. So let's go into one by one. But yeah, Figma gave this like four materials. So Figma kind of gave this four materials so to work with: motion, depth, texture, that is shaders, and code. So they also launched that code layers, which you can able to bring like your code and go back and forth between design and code to code layers, which is very exciting. And working on a lot of like the client's project on Human AI Studio. So I kind of find myself going between design and code all the time. So I think this bridge is super helpful. And Figma Motion, I think this is they made it like so good actually compared to other motion design tool. There's like an agent where you can just prompt what motion you want to create, and then it also generates like timeline, so you can go and tweak and things like that, which makes it super easy to work with. So here is a quick motion pattern that I've created, and it was super fast, and you can see the timeline you can control. And Figma VV, they had acquired VV before. Now Figma VV is within the canvas. The co-founder presented it during the config. I also had a chance to kind of meet him and tell that how I've been like teaching this tool at AI Builder Academy and things like that. I've been a big fan of this. I think it shows how different NLMs work, how you can connect and automate like creative workflows, so which is good. Very humble person. I met him in person. And another one is Figma agents. Figma agents, basically this you can like create like custom skills, connect to different tools like your Confluence, Jira, Slack, so you can create whatever automations or kind of bring context all in one place. This is huge. I think this is a very unexplored territory, and it has this kind of rolls out the features to public and things like that. So I'll definitely share more about it here, so make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. And the custom shaders, I think we are kind of trying to create a bit of like differentiator and life in our product nowadays, because all products are trying to look the same and slops. So shaders are now within Figma, so you can work with shaders, which is awesome. The another one is the generative plugins. So basically, with the rise of AI, there's a lot of like plugin development skyrocketed, and there's a lot of hassle goes into building a plugin. So I'd build just Ollie AI for on in Canvas assistant kind of a thing for Figma. But now you can just like prompt and generate plugins. That's worth looking into. If your team needs some kind of a plugin, you can generate it quickly. Code layers is definitely worth looking into. But these are some of the cool updates that Figma had. So during the config week, I also hosted like an in-person workshop on how to become AI native. So that was quite successful. It was good to see people's like reaction and takeaways they had. We also partnered with like Wonder and Loop to kind of make this event happen, and for the venue with Purify and app and things like that. So it was quite a successful event that and workshop that I hosted. And then yeah, if your team need custom workshops and training, I also do that now through Human AI Studio, so which you can always reach out for me for that. And then also we hosted Hike. We wanted to create that sense of like calmness, because with AI things are getting a bit chaotic, and we had like a capybara. And so yeah, it was a lot of fun. But I think the best part was like meeting all the people there from the design community and the heroes and my friends and people that follow me and things like that. So it was quite a fun experience. So this is about Config 2026. So make sure you subscribe. Resources in the description. Do check them out. I'll see you in another video.